Good evening, students. Today, I would like to tell about that evaluation of economic doctrines. The first topic is classical school of thought, classical school of economics thought. So, in these situations, we have discussed about the classical economics views and at the same time biographies of classical economists like Anna Smith and Malthus, David Ricardo, and J.B. said these were the classical thoughts, the evolution of economical classical thought. So first we have discussed about that introduction of classical economics. The classical school of economics was developed about 1950 and latested the maintained term of economic thought until the last 18th or 18th centuries. Adam Smith Wealth of Nations published in 1776 can be used that formal beginning of classical economics, but it evolved over a period of time and was influenced by the mercantilism doctrines, physiocrats, and classical liberalism and earlier stages. These are the industrial stages of the industrial revolution. So Adam Smith, 1723 to 1719, he is recognized as the organizer of the classical economics. The next economist, John Stuart Mill, 1806 and 1873, is often recorded as the synthesizer of the school. The main classical economists, Adam Smith, David Ricardo, Thomas Malthus, Jean Baptiste Say, and John Mill or J.S. Mill. Classical economics as the predominant school of maintain stream of mainstream of economics ends with the mercantilist revolution and the rise of neoclassical economics in the last 80s. In the 1870, William Stanley Jevons and Karl Menger concept of marginal utility and Lino Walras general equilibrium theory provided the foundations. Henry, Henry and Edgeworth, Pareto, and Alfred Marshall provided the tools of neoclassical economics. Neoclassical economics is an extension of classical economics, but the focus of the questions changed the well as the tools of analysis. In spite the dominance of neoclassical thought, classical economics has prestiged and influenced modern economics, particularly the neoclassical economics. The belief in the efficiency of free market is central both classical and neoclassical ideology. While Adam Smith should be regarded as the originator and leader of the school, David Ricardo, 1772 to 1823, should be created with establishing the form of the method of schools. The debate between Thomas Malthus and David Ricardo is a contemporary and simultaneously economist. Is born on 1766 and died in 1834. And David Ricardo about the policy issues such as the corn laws and the food laws contributed to the farm focus of from the school. Smith was concerned about the nature of economics growth. Malthus, Ricardo, and other classical economics were concerned about the question of distribution. So, Smith concerned about the nature of economic growth and remaining classical economists Malthus, David Ricardo, these are the question of distribution, the importance of the distribution. One important debate among classical economists was whether there was wisdom surplus or gulf. John Baptiste say or JB say Malthus were the two major questions about that extension of surplus and its effects and market economy. The formal beginning of the classical school, in which Adam Smith published an inquiry into the nature and causes of wealth of nations. Next book, John Stuart Mill, Principles of Political Economy, with some of their applications to social philosophy published in 1848 may be regarded as the synthesis of classical economics. The title of Mill book is an indicator of perspectives that economics is one component of the broader concern with the social relations. With the publication of William Stanley Jevons, he was a very popular theory is marginal utility. The famous book is Theory of Political Economy, and Lino Walras and Ultimate the Demand Economic began the road of professionalism and narrowing the perspectives. Next one, major contributions to the classical school included. How much in contribution included in the evaluation of in doctrines, especially classical school. The first we have discussed about the Adam Smith, the theory of moral sentiments and wealth of nations. You wrote the two books. One is Moral Sentiments in 1759, and second book is the famous book then Inquiry into the Nature and Causes of Wealth of Nations, published in 1776. The next economist and famous economist in classical thought, David Ricardo. He was also published book. The published book was The Principles of Political Economy and Taxation. He published it in 1870. The next economist, Thomas Malthus, an essay on the principles of population principles of political economy in 1820, and the measures of value 1823, and the definitions of political economy 1827. So he wrote the four books. Thomas Malthus was wrote the four books, the four famous books. The first one is, I repeated, an essay on the principles of population, published in 1789. The second book is Principles of Political Economy, 1820. Third book is The Measure of Value, he published in 1823, and Definitions of Political Economy, so published in 1827. James Mill, next economist, James Mill, book is Element of Political Economy. JB's a book, treatise on political economy. Next, the famous economist Karl Marx. Karl Marx, you know very well. We know very well famous books. Two books is there. The Communist Manifesto, published in 1848, and Das Kapital, 1867. Next, the foundation of classical school in Industrial Revolution. John, sorry. Role of technology and industrialization. The role of technology and industrialization as included in classical thought. The building of canals and transportation system, England between 1750 to 1820, 300 miles of the navigable and waterways built on in 1750 and in 1717 earlier to trunk pins were built. So 1698, Thomas Survey obtained, presented in the steam pump was Cornish mines and made of atmosphere pumps and engine improved by James Watt in 1769. 1709, Abraham made coke and coal it according to 5% of the British steel. The population of Britain rose to about 6 million in 1700 to almost 20 million in 1850. There was increased urbanization and the growth of sites. So the classical economist wise, we have discussed that. First economist Adam Smith, 1723 to 1790. Adam Smith theories already we have discussed in class. The theory of moral sentiments, 1759, and an inquiry into the nature and causes of wealth of nations, and essay on philosophical subject, 1795. So first the theory wise we have discussed that. The theory of moral sentiments, 1759. In a decision of moral force in society and how they guide individual behavior into partners that they are consist with workable society. Uh, Ethics or the cement of society. Moral values are based on human feelings. The moral philosophy was a part and build of the growth of society. The first one, natural theology, ethics. Next, jurisprudence, justice in the form of history of law and obedience of the part. May be offered out of love, gratitude, friendship. Corresponding morality properties are to admire rich and powerful people. So poor and weak should admire wisdom and virtue. People seek riches for purpose of vanity and not necessary. Sympathies create social beyond everyone seeks to approval to others. We learn from experience. We learn rules of morality from observation and experience, generalized in moral values. Smith, aware of appeal of utilitarianism, justice as a negative value of avoiding harm to others. Beneficiaries, beneficiaries as a positive virtue of doing good. Next book, An Inquiry into the Nature and the Causes of Wealth of Nation, to deals with comprehensive systematic theory of economy, shows connections with relationship among the variables. This book does not focus on single elements. The model of working of an economy shows connections of elements in continually continually maintained system, the policy perception of free trade. The much of Smith works permitted by sociological approaches. Humans are interested in those things that are nearest to use the time and space. Human was to better their conditions. Sympathy holds self-interest behavior in check in not jurisdiction. Smith discussed both microeconomics and macroeconomics. He attempted to explain the interrelationship of the elements in an economic system and justify the use of free market. Free markets advocated to allow the operation of natural forces. National wealth is the exchangeable value of the annual product of land and labor of a country. The division of labor starts that process of economic growth and capital accumulation keeps it going. Their benefits division of labor, increasing in skill and dexterity, save time and moving from job to job, intervention to new mechanism. So division of labor dependent on the extent of the market and capital accumulation. Division of labor determines the productivity of labor. Economic growth is also dependent on the proportion of productive and to unproductive labor. Productive labor is that labor that produce tangible goods that have value in exchange. Unproductive labor is not useless, it just doesn't produce tangible goods to be exchanged. Next theory is value in use and value in exchange. The real value of goods determined by the end trouble or acquired the consist of the necessity and communication to which are given for it. In ready-made society, labor in other societies, a cost of production, real price always the same. Normal price is different value depending on the value of gold and silver. It is the price of quantity of money. Market price is the actual price. which any commodity is commodity sold. It may either be above or below or exactly the same natural price. The natural price when the price of any commodity is neither measure or less than what the sufficient pay the recent of the land and wages and labor. Based on bargaining and construct of the combination of masters and workmen, wages found wage fund augment the amount necessary to bring up to family and more workers. Profits are subject to variations. Wages and profits are inversely related. The Smith profit included interest, reduced the capital stock, increased profit, increased capital stock, reduced profits. Profits equalize across industry. Rent is a residual. Waste and profit are causes of prices. Rent is and effect the begin to differential theory of rent based on yield on location. Money is regarded primarily as a medium of exchange. It is the wheel of circulations, road power of money, saves resources and extracting gold and silver. What's the role of government in theory of Adam Smith? Provided for natural national defense, provided for domestic justice. The government prevent works between the stupid and ignorant as possible as due to division of labor. The government revenues public lands and taxes. Essay on philosophical subject hunters and step thoughts, agriculture and commerce. So the Adam Smith can divide it only three sectors. One is agriculture, second one is industry, and third one is commerce and trade and commerce. So he must be emphasis on first primary sector is agriculture sector. Agriculture sector was developed automatically. The agro-based industries were developed and next the commerce and trade also developed. The next economist, David Ricardo, 1772 to 1823. David Ricardo was the son of the Jewish immigrant stockbroker who moved from Spain to Northland and Britain, entered business in broker at age of 14, married a Quaker of the age of 21. His family disowned him with the supported the friends and entered markets in the own and within the years measured in the format. His rules was that market over react the most event. He anonymously gave a wealth of maintained to Alhos, studied with maths and science, and encouraged his study of the economics by reading Smith Wealth of Nation in 1799. Retained in 1814, studied, wrote Member of Parliament, founder and political economy club in London. Friends included Malthus, James Mill, and JBC. David Ricardo representative publications were divided between pamphlets and major works. On the Principles of Political Economy and Taxation, 1870, The High Price of Bullion, 1810, The Influence of Law Price of Corn on the Profits of Stock, 1817, in Projection of Agriculture, 1822, Plan for the Establishment of National Bank in 1824. These are the major publications. Ricardo used abstract, deductive, theoretical reasoning methods of the publications. So the famous theories of David Ricardo, rent theory, Malthus population theory, wage fund mix. Independent and consequences of the respected often argued that vote against in his interest sides with reforms and political matters. Abolish flow, abolish flowing and scapegoating, extend surface free speech, and reduce capital options of the civil liberals. Follow Smith in value use and value in exchange. Focus on value in exchange. Utility is not a measure of value. It is necessary but not sufficient condition. Assume utility. Two types of goods. Those which derive value from scarcity, a rare painting, those which derive from the quantity of labor required to obtain them. The relative values depend on the quantity of labor required. Profits and wages are equalized in all industries. Equality of labor, capital is stored up labor. It is true that the man is proficient of scarce commodity in richer if by measure means that he can command of more of the necessary and enjoyments of human life. But the general stock out of each man riches are drawn in diminished of quantity by all the individual takes from other man's shares most necessarily be reduced to proportion as this favored individual is able to appropriate in a greater quantity to himself. Rent is the result, not the cause of value. Distribution is fundamental question posed by Ricardo. Distribution is related to theory of value in Ricardo. What is the principle determine the shares in labor, capital and land? Correlated the value of product with the income and production. Profits depend upon the high or low wages. Wages of the profits are necessary. The price necessary cheaply on the price of food. It is the desire which every capitalist has of diverting his fund from the less or to more profitable employment that prevent the market price of commodities from continuing from any length or to time to earlier or more and or much below their natural prices. Distribution. The natural price of labor, that price which is necessary to enable the labors one of one with other, the subsistence and to perspective they prices without either increasing or diminutions of the power of the labors to support it himself, which a population presenting against the mean of subsistence that only remains or either a reduction of people, a more rapid accumulation of capital in the natural advantage of society, the base of labor will have tendency to fall as far as the or regulated by supply and demand for the supply of labors will continue to increase at the same rate while the demand for them increasing at a slower rate. The natural tendency of profits of the full for a progress of society and wealth and the distributional and the additional quantity of food required is obtained the surface of more and more labors. Differential theory of rents land to different qualities and labor is homogeneous. As population increase, the price of corn rises, bring marginal land into production. Rent accrues to the best land, no rent on the marginal land. In the long run wages subsistence, the rate of profits fall, rents rise. When the rate of profits zero, There is not indictment of further capital accumulation. Welcome to arrive in the stationary state. The next famous theory compared to advantage theory of David Ricardo. He was suggested to the compared to advantage. Adam Smith was suggested the free trade absolute trade theory, but Adam Smith was compared to advantage theory is the most important of the development of the nations. The next economist Thomas Malthus, 1766 to 1834. Thomas Malthus was son of lawyer, studied at Cambridge, created a Church of England, married to at 40 years, close friend David Ricardo, and appointed the policy issues. First professor of economic, Heidelberg College. Interest in demography, understanding doctrines of human perspectability and economic, particularly distribution. His theory was popular and had lasting influence on social and economic thought. Influence on Charles Darwin and influence on David Ricardo. Next, opposite to poor laws in favor of corn laws. Next, the theory and the book was the famous book was Essay on Principles of Population as it affects of the future improvement of the society. The published in 1789. Contacted the belief that through the applications of reasons and science would be possible for the perfection of humankind. Goodwin Goodwin believed that the perfectibility of humankind through the establishment of small societies and district government and private property. Only these are the small societies. Publications. The publications of political economy in published in 1820. The measures of value 1823. Definitions of political economy 1820. The Malthus population theory became a integral part of classical economics. It is a mixture of moral judgment and positive economics. Influential themes, reasons for economic inequality, role of self-interest, laissez-faire rather than benevolence of human affairs, the nature of the future and progress, relationship between the religion with the benevolent God and extension, widespread property. Provided insight for Charles Darwin that lead to theory of evolution and survival the fittest. The population cannot increase it without food. Population inversely increases its food is available patient between sexes. It is a given. The superior power population cannot be checked without producing mystery or vice. Food production increasing uh, automatically limited by land and diminishing returns. Population increasing geometrically. Function of age at marriage, natural sexual interest, and never considered contraception and or abortions. Limits to population, preventive checks, later marriages, abstinence, and moral restraints, abortions, integral connections were preventive measures, but labeled as vice. Positive checks, disease, famines, wars, etc. Population and wages. Increasing wages above subsistence, increasing population wage falls. Decreasing wage below subsistence, decreasing population wage rises. Wages or subsistence in long run, the result is a stationary state at subsistence. In subsequent revisions of the essay on population, Malthus concerned a normal feature of economics, the development of industrialization which raised the standard of living of even the poor. Malthus' population theory was testable if a population is not preventive checks. In subsequent revision of essay on population, Malthus concern a normal feature, economic development industrialization, which rise the standard of living even the poor. Malthus population theory is not a testable. If a population is not a strating, there must be preventive checks. The Malthus Economics, he was 1814 publication, was one of the first to suggest the use of calculus in economic analysis. However, he complained that Ricardo was too abstract. Malthus was an agrarian, felt that agriculture was moral superior concern as agrarians opposed the importance of corn into Britain, argued that corn laws two ways of spend income. One is acquisition of goods of consumption. Second one is accumulated capital. Malthus disagree with Tesla. Land overing here, material servants, capitalist head productive age or industrial workers. In 1818 or 19, there was a general depression in Britain. Agriculture prices dropped. Labor became a militant and concern of revolutionary dangers. So, the interest of no other class in the state to nearly or necessarily concerned at the wealth, prosperity, and power as the interest of the landowner. So these are the classical economic thought. First Adam Smith and David Ricardo. So Adam Smith was suggested the development, growth, and the nations. And next economist, continuation economist was David Ricardo, Malthus, and J.B. Say, and J.S. Mill was suggested. And most important factor is growth and distribution. So this is the more contribution of the classical economy. So this is the classical economic thought. So thank you student.